wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com bringing you a bathroom review. You can hear the echo. This is Isla by Beverly in the color dark Auburn. It's raining, so I'm resorting to bathroom reviews so I can keep this train rolling all night long. But anyhow, I wanted to show you how cute this wig is because it's one of those ones where people may think, oh, this is really curly. It's not really that curly. This is actually a lot like Peyton by Henry Margu. They just came out with that one. This is really similar. It's a lot like Dolce by Noriko. It's a big wave bob. It is a bob that has a very large curl pattern to it. So I mean, it's a very relaxed, loose curl. So while it does have that slightly curly texture, if you're looking for curls, go for something like Sweet Talk by Gabor or the Haley, which is another Tony of Beverly wig, because this isn't really a super curly wig. It's just got a little bit of texture to it. And here, I'll fluff it up a little bit so you can kind of see what I mean. I think it's a really cute wig. And this dark auburn color is really pretty, by the way. It is not a super, it's nowhere near as bright as like Noriko's chestnut color. It's a very pretty, natural looking dark auburn brown with some subtle medium auburn tones blended in. So it's not a really super red by any stretch of the imagination. You could probably tell. It almost looks like a ginger brown in here. So let me show you what Isla looks like on all sides so you can kind of see what I mean. She's kind of straight in the front and she's textured in the back. This is a really cute wig. Yeah, the cap construction is really good on this one. I love the layering and how it frames the face. I think that's very flattering. This is, quite frankly, a very 90s haircut. And I know that that's making a comeback, but I really do feel like I should be watching Gilmore Girls. And you know, I feel like this is basically the kind of cut that I had in high school, which I'm really dating myself here. Like I graduated in 1998, you know, there's no shame in it, whatever. But it definitely looks like the kind of haircut we all had, and we all had those little chokers that had like the wire mesh on them. I feel like I should be having one of those wire mesh chokers on with this hair. I really do. And I should be wearing like a striped t-shirt and some ill-fitting, you know, mom jeans. I feel like that is what's going on with this haircut. Either that or I should be wearing pearls. Like, maybe I could combine the looks. No, probably not. But anyhow, Isla's really cute. She's just not like a super duper curly style, but she's really nice and versatile and frankly, very flattering. I think this is a really cute girly cut, and I think it's actually a lot easier to pull off than something like the Sweet Talk by Gabor, or the Haley by Tony of Beverly, because those are gonna have a lot of curls, they've got a lot of volume, and while that's really trendy right now, you know, that might not always be trendy. Where I have a kind of suspicion that sweet little, like softly curled bobs like this are always going to kind of look all right in pictures. They're always going to be kind of in style, you know? They may have a particular time period where they were really popular, but I don't think anyone's ever gonna look at something like this and say, oh man, that looks so dated. Because when something's really cute and sweet and casual and easy to wear, I think that that's basically always going to be in style. Like I could see flappers with hair like this, you know, if they weren't into like a Marcel wave. I could see, you know, people in the 50s having hair like this. I could just kind of see this being sort of like a timeless haircut. So if you're the kind of person who's into that sort of thing, you know, and you're more of like a I'm into the classics because they never go out of style kind of gal, then, you know, just like bathroom reviews never go out of style, you should check out the Isla because she's really cute. Let's talk some specs. The bangs are 5 inches down, which seems really accurate to me. The crown down is anywhere from 6 to 8.5 inches. It's really a layered cut, so it all depends on where you're measuring. The sides are 5 to 6 inches. Again, it's a range for that reason. And the nape is 4 to 4.5. So the overall length from the crown down to the nape is about 13 inches overall. Very cute style, lots of texture, really delightful. I love this one. I think she's really easy to wear. So let me go ahead and take Isla off now so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. Isla has a machine-made cap. So the whole thing up here is covered. She's got open wefts on the side, open wefts on the back, an extended felt nape with adjustable Velcro straps. She also has fuzzy felt here on the ear tabs and a temple to temple lace front that has a slight contour to it. And I tend to love lace fronts that have that kind of contour because it looks more natural, I think. Here's what the top of Isla looks like. She's permateased. In darker colors, it's hard to tell, but yeah, she's permateased. And she has a little bit more permatease here at the crown. Here's that texture up close. This has not been combed, has not been styled. I've only taken it out of the box and fluffed her up with my fingers. So that's a wig with a lot of potential right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put Isla back on for you now. This wig weighs a little over 3 ounces, so she's really nice and lightweight. I like this one better than the Haley. I mean, that's just me personally. I think this one is really darling on. And that's that lace front. I've got it pushed up a little bit far on my forehead, but that's so you can see all the knots. It's a very nice lace front on this one. This one is darling, and I'm probably going to end up keeping it. Just because it reminds me of the good old days. But it's still so cute that I don't feel like I'm gonna be embarrassed by that, you know what I mean? It's just a really cute, timeless sort of big wave bob. So I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, that's CysterWigs.com. You can find me all over the internet. We have lots of social media accounts, so check us out sometime. If you have a moment, you're bored at work, we won't tell on you. And check out our store if you have a chance. We don't just review wigs, we sell them. That's how we can afford to keep doing this stuff. So hopefully we'll see you in there sometime. And until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.